we are going to discuss the exercise questions of chapter 1, that is green plants producers of food. So the first question is, the leaf is attached to the stem by. लीफ जो है वो स्टेम से अटैच्ड होता है किस पार्ट से? द आंसर इज स्टॉक. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, water and carbon dioxide enters the leaf through. The answer is stomata. Question number 3 says, the food prepared by the plant in the form of. Answer is starch. It is prepared in the form of starch. Question number 4, which of the following is not needed in photosynthesis? इनमें से कौन सा फोटोसिंथेसिस के लिए जरूरी नहीं है? द आंसर इज ऑक्सीजन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, द एनर्जी दैट वी गेट फ्रॉम द फूड प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय प्लांट इज द एनर्जी ऑफ. जो एनर्जी हमें फूड जो प्लांट्स प्रिपेयर करते हैं वो खाने से मिलती है, वो एक्चुअली किस चीज़ की एनर्जी होती है? Is the energy of sun. The answer is sun. Question number 6 says, non-green plants get their food through. The answer is from dead and decaying matter. Question number 7, the process of photosynthesis takes place in. Answer is green plants only. Now in this B section, what you have to do is you have to give short answers. So the first question is, what is needed by a leaf to make food? The answer is, the green pigment present in the leaves is called chlorophyll, which traps the energy from sunlight. Thus, a leaf needs air, water, sunlight to make their own food. Okay? Question number 2. How does dodder get its food? Answer is, dodder get its food from the food prepared by other green plants. उनको कहाँ से मिलता है फूड? वो दूसरे ग्रीन प्लांट्स के बनाए हुए फूड पे डिपेंड करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ स्टोमाटा? आंसर, स्टोमाटा हेल्प इन द एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, फ्रॉम वेयर डू non-green plants get their food? Answer, non-green plants get their food from dead and decaying matter. In section C, you have to answer the following questions. Question number 1, how will you test the presence of starch in leaf? स्टार्च का प्रेजेंस लीफ में है, ये कैसे टेस्ट करेंगे? सो द आंसर इज, फॉलोइंग आर द स्टेप्स टू टेस्ट द प्रेजेंस ऑफ स्टार्च इन अ लीफ. स्टेप नंबर 1, टेक अ लीफ ऑफ एनी हेल्दी प्लांट. स्टेप नंबर 2, बॉयल द लीफ फर्स्ट इन वाटर एंड देन इन एल्कोहल. फर्स्ट वाटर में बॉयल करेंगे, देन उसको एल्कोहल में बॉयल करेंगे. Step number 3, wash it under cold water. Step number 4, take this leaf in a dish and put few drops of iodine on it. Step number 4 में क्या करेंगे? Few drops of iodine उस leaf के ऊपर डालेंगे. So now what will be the observation? The observation is, the color of the leaf will change into blue black कलर. वो ब्लू ब्लैक कलर में चेंज होगा. तो इससे हमें क्या पता चलता है? कंक्लूजन, दिस शोज that the food prepared by leaves during photosynthesis is in the form of starch. Okay? Question number 2. How do plants use the food prepared by them? Answer. The food prepared by leaves is used to get energy and growth of the plant. उनको एनर्जी और प्लांट के ग्रोथ के लिए हाफ यूज होती है एंड द रिमेनिंग फूड इज स्टोर्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्टार्च इन लीव्स, स्टेम, रूट्स और फ्रूट्स. ठीक है. Question number 3. How are plants and animals interdependent? Plants और animals एक दूसरे पे निर्भर कैसे करते हैं? Both plants and animals are interdependent on each other. How? As the green plants are the main food producers, they also give out oxygen. Now, animal breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide, which is needed by plants for photosynthesis. Animals help plants in dispersing their seeds. So in this way, plants and animals both are interdependent on each other. Okay? Question number 4. Why is it important to maintain a balance between plants and animals in nature? It will be nature, okay? Not natural. It will be nature, okay? Answer. A balance between plants and animal is needed to maintain life on earth. Balance plants और animals में क्यों चाहिए? To maintain balance of life on earth. Okay. First point is, if the number of animals increases, plants may not be able to supply enough food and oxygen. अगर animals के numbers बढ़ जाते हैं तो plants खाना provide नहीं कर पाएगा. Now, if there is an increase in the number of plants, the carbon dioxide supplied by animals may not be enough for plants. तो क्या होगा? अगर प्लांट्स ज़्यादा हो जाएंगे तो जितना कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एनिमल प्रोड्यूस करती है उतना सभी प्लांट्स के लिए एडिक्वेट नहीं हो पाएगा. ओके. इन सेक्शन डी, name any two. So what you have to do in this, you have to give two examples of each. A. Edible roots. Answer will be carrot and radish. Second one is edible stems. The answer will be sugarcane and potato. C. Edible leaves. Answer spinach and cabbage. D. Edible seeds. Answer almond and cashew. So students, this was all about chapter 1, which is the green plants, the producers of food. So stay tuned for the next chapter. Thank you.